Hello everyone. We are going to see today speed of longitudinal wave. This longitudinal wave is for mechanical wave. We are knowing in longitudinal wave the medium particle oscillate or vibrate along propagation of a wave. And they forms compression and rarefaction in medium. So medium particle compression is the area where air molecules get compressed, and rarefaction is the area where gas molecule or air molecules moves away, right? So due to this compression and rarefaction, change in pressure occur. As a result, change in volume is there. This fractional change in volume is delta V by total volume. Then bulk modulus of medium B is given by relation. Here it is change in pressure. This denotes by fractional change in volume. This implies that delta P V upon delta V. Equation number 1. Now speed of longitudinal wave in medium depends on two factors. Here two factors on which this velocity depends: bulk modulus capital B, one factor on which depend. Second, density of a medium, density rho of a medium. And this relation is established by method of dimension. Let's see how we are going to obtain the relation by method of dimension. So speed of longitudinal wave is depend on bulk modulus B to the power alpha, density to the power beta. See, this is a relation number 1. Since dimensional formula of velocity is L t minus 1, bulk modulus is given by m to the power 1, L to the power minus 1 and t to the power minus 2, and density mass per unit volume ml minus 3. So this is a dimension formula of physical quantity used here. So we are going to put this value here in this equation. In place of V, see, LT minus 1 here, directly proportional B M L minus 1 T minus 2 power alpha ml minus 3 to power beta. Now what we are doing, we are going to compare power of M, L and T both sides. See here, in the right hand side M power is alpha and here is beta. Yeah? So alpha plus beta. Here is no M, so it is a 0. This is equation number 2 and it is equation number 3. Now power of L minus alpha minus 3 beta minus alpha minus 3 beta is equal to 1. Equation 4. And for time, minus 2 alpha is here, T minus 2 alpha, here is minus 1. See, this is equation number 5. Now see, equation 5 speaks alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Now using question 3, that is if alpha plus beta is equal to 0, this implies that beta is equal to minus alpha and is minus 1 by 2. So beta is a minus 1 by 2. So alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2 after solving. So 2 variable 3 equation, here is a no use of equation number 4 is here. Now see carefully. Putting the value of alpha beta here in this expression. In equation number 2, not here, this is equation number 2. So putting value of alpha and beta in equation number 2. See, V proportional B to the power alpha, bulk modulus to the power alpha, and alpha is 1 by 2, density beta minus 1 by 2. This implies that velocity is equal to constant under root beta by rho, and it is represented by equation number 6. By some another method, value of k comes 1. In that condition, speed of longitudinal wave is given by formula b by rho. It means that speed of longitudinal wave is dependent on bulk modulus and density of the medium. So this is for the topic. See, to obtain the formula. Thank you and have a nice day.